Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to know about the new portfolio model activity of module 10 social sciences, pedagogy of social sciences. This is for only English medium teachers. Here is a pedagogy of social sciences. You observe this picture in Zoom. You please watch and understand the social sciences characteristics or objectives or anything else here. If you see the portfolio activity, we have to submit some chapters or some headings like they have given. Instructions for a submission. Activity based teaching of social science development, an activity related to concept in a specific subject such as history, geography, social and political life. In this activity, children need to participate actively. You can also develop an activity to achieve a particular learning outcome. Also, you can think of an activity in which concepts from different subjects can be explained. Prepare or following details. I think you have understood what they have want to make in a portfolio. Then we have to keep these subheadings for that. Those are subject, grade, class, chapter, topic, learning outcome, key ideas or concepts or themes, prior knowledge, plan of assessment. Through this activity, you will get an opportunity to reflect on this following. You have to write some points, what you want to tell, what you want to inject to your children through this activity. Raise questions, explain concepts, link theme with lived relatives. Express own ideas creatively. Manage time in answering short and long answers questions. Prepare projects. Locate places. Write the field diary of after field visits. Make models and charts. This is the subtopics, the subheadings they have given to you to present a good portfolio. So let's start it and see our portfolio. What is our portfolio? You see here our portfolio subject social sciences, you know very well, but they have told to make a portfolio to UP, but I took class 3 for primary only. Topic is this is the way, the directions in primary stage. Objectives are children are able to explain about sides, directions and corners. Children are able to speak about neighbors and neighborhood. Children will be aware of landmarks, symbols and maps. Children will be aware about celestial bodies. Children are able to explain the directions of their house. This is the main objectives of this lesson I have took. Then see the next. So resources needed to my portfolio or for this activity. Material required is textbooks, charts, map pointing, pamphlet of buildings, something. Why I took a pamphlet? This is very good exemplary. Then lesson description. You see here, in this lesson, children will learn about landmarks, sites, directions, symbols of road marks. This is the lesson description, and children will also learn the lesson contains the things of their surroundings, map, their state, town, house. It also contains the sites of a pointed area. Then learning experiences. Come to learning experiences. See here. Teacher introduced the directions of a pointed area or school after posing some questions and then ask them to identify the sites and the directions of their house and school. In the meanwhile, teacher introduces the skill of mapping, map pointing, identify the landmarks and districts as well as our state as well as our country. Okay. Then intended learning outcomes. Observe here. Students learn people living around our houses are our neighbors. Students notice that front, back, left and right as sides, east, west, north, south as directions. Children are able to notice that symbols are the representation of landmarks. Children will able to understand a landmark as well in well-known place in locality. This is our intended outcomes for this portfolio of pedagogy of social sciences. Then activity. Whole class activity. First of all, I took whole class activity. Write down any facilities that you would like to have in your neighborhood. Then coming to group activity. See this building and write the directions of place. If you want, you can give your school building directions also. Then you give the project work as the street mapping, like that. Then assignment. I give them to write these directions. Name the corner. You see here, the east and the north, the south and the west and the north and the east. What we call these corners. They have named them northeastern, eastern, southeastern, southwestern, like that. Then after that, name the four directions. I have given a simple questions for them as they are elementary and third class. That's why I have given small questions to them. By the way, you can test them easily with the small questions with their responses. Here I will provide a link for you in description. If you want to watch it, please watch. This is about the directions, how we can say the directions in a fruitful way. I made a mini TLM also. Okay friends, this is my portfolio of module 10 pedagogy of social sciences. I hope you understand. Please share my videos to all. Please give your support like this. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.